feel like crap today. Sorry. Alright, so I'm trying something a little bit different today, and I'm going to edit this video using just my iPad. I want to practice using my iPad more for editing like short videos and things like that, so when I go on a trip, I don't have to lug like my laptop and a bunch of stuff with me, but I can still capture video. I can use my GoPro with this. I can download the videos to the iPad, edit, do whatever I need to, then delete the videos when I'm done, upload them to iCloud. So yeah, let's see how this goes. All right, so like I was saying a minute ago, I'm trying to figure out ways of recording everything with very minimal package. So I'm using my iPad mini and my GoPro on like a little mini stand. I'll show you that here in a second. It's recording at the same time so I get multiple shots. And then I'm going to use iMovie that's built into, or not built into, but you have to download it from the App Store. To edit. I also have to figure out how to put music on here. I think I have an idea. I can use iCloud. You can see here it says 17 minutes and 44 seconds, and then this one, and then this one. I don't know. I guess, you know, if you want to record I can't even see what I'm doing right now. I found out my iPhone, I don't always use Apple products, but when I do, no, I'm just kidding. I found out that you can change the camera settings on your iPads and your iPhones to actually be able to record, 4K video, which is why I'm even attempting this. I want to see, you know, this is a small iPad. It's got like 32 gigs of memory on it. It's not an iPad Pro. So my plan is to edit all of this on the iPad, save the edited video, and then delete all the raw footage, which no, you're not supposed to do. You want to be able to come back and re-edit the footage or reuse footage, things like that. But since this is just a vlog, once I've edited, that's it for that video. It's done. You reuse footage. Probably could. Okay, so while I've been working on editing this video, one of the things that I had to do was convert the videos from my iPhone to a format I could use on the iPad. To do that, I had to put it in iMovie and then save it to the iCloud, and then I was able to, or iCloud Drive, and I was able to upload that and use it on the iPad. There were a couple times where I ran out of space. I had to delete some of the raw footage that was stored there, and which didn't allow me to upload the video. There was a transfer error, and that caused me not to be able to import. But you're not able to import directly the 4K video that you record from the phone on your iPad, even though they're the same version. And the funny part is you're able to do it on the local phone, but not from iCloud. I think there's something about transfer rates or something like that maybe. Anyway, in my next video, what I'll probably do is show you how I edited this video using an iPhone, the iPad, and the GoPro imports, and just a few simple editing techniques. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'm MOTOBEAR, and remember to keep the rubber side down.